right, Mopar fans, here's one at unique, especially in classics you're going to enjoy. Check this one out. 1964 Plymouth Savoy 2-door post. 440. Dual carb setup underneath the hood. Edelbrock 4 barrels and Edelbrock intake manifold on it. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome on the bumper and the bright work up front. You can see the Hemi hood scoop. The paint, I guess it kind of reminds me of like a red jewel metallic. It just pops on this car with the fawn gold interior, and we'll get to that in just a bit. First of all, check out the still pictures. Look at the underside of this car. Interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, center caps, beauty rings. Now, as far as the engine, some work's been done to that too. It does have Hughes roller rockers and high performance hydraulic lifter combo. Mopar Performance purple cam. If you look at the underside, you're going to see the exhaust, 3-inch exhaust, headers back. It's a TTI exhaust system on it. And take a look at how straight these panels are down the passenger side, free of any major dings, nicks, or scratches. Mentioned the fawn gold interior. It's actually a Gary Ball super stock. Seat brackets in it, door panels, rear quarter. Headliner, carpeting. We'll get around to that interior and check that out a little closer when we get to the driver's side. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run too. This is a head turner. The way it sounds, the way it looks, and look at how straight those panels are. Rear to front and back, front to rear. How about the chrome and the bright work on the back of this? Looking good. A few things that will be included with this. Steel wheel I'll put back in the trunk. Components for the emergency brake system. Also some extra paint for the interior and exterior. And then a heater core and heater components. Those will be included, and I'll put those back in the trunk. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures also, as well as the rest of this car. Over 100 pictures online, UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Rear end of this car, 8 3/4 inch sure grip, 391 rear gears, incredible throttle response, and get up and go, let's put it that way. A few very minor imperfections, I guess I noticed maybe in the clear, if anything else. When I mean minor, I'm talking like a little spot like that, just a few spots in the clear. But overall, you can see how that paint pops. Great color combination, exterior and interior. Here you can see the new door panels, carpeting, seat covers, the brackets I was talking about. Seat belts up front. Interior's free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner you can see. Interior shows as well as the exterior. Now there is a choke underneath here. We're indoors. I don't think I'm going to need that. We're going to go ahead and fire it up without it, but there is a choke there. Oil pressure gauge you can see also. There's your oil pressure. Boom, and it's up. Here's the fuel gauges working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. We're going to let this warm up just a tad. See the tack is working. Dash looks good. Just make sure we're in neutral. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Listen to this. take this car down the road, set up a camera in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will, see how it goes down the road. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open and check out that engine bay. It's a good look under the underside of the hood. And remember, huge roller rockers and high performance hydraulic lifter combo, the 440, that dual Edelbrock 4-barrel setup, Edelbrock intake manifold, aluminum radiator. Looks as good under the hood as it does the rest of the car, no doubt about that. Definitely a healthy one. 1964 Plymouth Savoy. 2-door post. It's a beauty, folks. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1964 Plymouth Savoy. Got dual carburetors. Got 4 on the floor. Car's ready to go fast. Yeah, this car gets up and goes pretty quick. Amazing sound from this car's exhaust. Bosch tack on the column working well. Speedometer working. Temperature is almost a quarter of the way up the gauge. Our gas gauge is reading a quarter. Alternator is charging a little above half. Oil pressure is a light instead of a gauge. That's right behind the tap. We do have an oil pressure gauge down below the dash, reading about 55 to 60 pounds. Smooth ride on the highway. Definitely ready to race, but also a nice ride. We're gonna get her down to idle a little bit. Sounds really good at idle. Corners the way a 64 Plymouth should.